So this is Vaseline, but have you ever wondered how Vaseline is actually made? For a tip, Vaseline is made from crude oil and I've made a video for this. Watch the video.
Crude oil. But how does this raw, unprocessed material become the smooth ointment we rely on for skincare? In this video, we'll walk you through the captivating process behind how petroleum jelly is made. It all begins with the distillation of crude oil. This essential process splits the oil into two primary components, a heavy fraction rich in waxes and a lighter oil base. These serve as the fundamental ingredients for making petroleum jelly. Once separated, these components are carefully blended in precise ratios to get the right consistency. But the transformation doesn't stop there. The mixture then undergoes hydrotreating, a process where hydrogen is used to eliminate contaminants like sulfur and nitrogen. This ensures the blend is clean, stable, and suitable for skin use. The final refining step involves bauxite filtration, which helps remove any lingering color or odor, leaving behind the familiar, smooth, and scentless jelly we recognize as petroleum jelly. Now, let's break down the process further. Everything starts with crude oil. Crude oil is first introduced into an atmospheric distillation column, where it's heated to separate lighter products such as gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. What remains, called atmospheric residue, is sent to a vacuum distillation unit. This is similar to cooking under pressure. It allows us to extract more useful components at lower temperatures. From this, we obtain lubricating oil feedstocks and vacuum residue. The residue is then processed in a deasphalting unit, where propane separates out the thickest material, some of which becomes road-grade bitumen. The remaining product, known as deasphalted oil, is sent to a solvent extraction unit, which removes undesired materials. This process yields rubber processing oil and an extract rich in valuable oil and wax components. And here's where the real transformation begins. The extract is de-waxed, producing the two key materials needed to make petroleum jelly, paraffin wax and base oil. These are stored separately in heated tanks, kept at temperatures between 70 and 100 degrees Celsius, 158 to 212 diff, ensuring they're fully liquefied for optimal blending. Next, the wax and oil streams are combined in a high-shear mixing chamber. Mechanical agitators mix the components thoroughly, creating a uniform blend. This mixture is then filtered to eliminate any remaining impurities, giving it a smooth, even texture. The filtered blend is cooled gradually in a controlled environment. Continuous agitation during cooling prevents separation, allowing the mixture to set into its semi-solid, jelly-like form. After this, the blend undergoes hydrotreating for further purification. The feedstock is first preheated to about 300-400 degree lax, 572-752 degrees, then combined with high-purity hydrogen gas. This hydrogen-rich mixture enters a reactor filled with a catalyst, typically cobalt molybdenum or nickel molybdenum on an alumina base. After the reaction, the resulting mixture is cooled, the hydrogen is recovered, and the refined liquid continues on to the next stage. A warm blend of oil and wax is passed through a vacuum drum filter to remove solid particles. The resulting product is a clean, uniform liquid. It is then cooled once more, gradually forming the familiar semi-solid consistency of petroleum jelly. Once cooled, the result is a soft, stable product with a smooth texture, free from grit, ready for packaging and everyday use. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed learning about how petroleum jelly is made, and we appreciate your continued support.